Are you struggling to understand what really drives the market? Most traders only look at price action, but behind every move, it is the volume delta that tells the real story. In this video, I'll explain market volume, delta volume, cumulative delta volume, and show you how our advanced Real CDV indicator helps detect absorption and exhaustion in real time. Let's start with the basics. Market volume simply shows how many contracts or lots are traded during a candle. But here's the problem. Traditional volume doesn't tell us who is in control, buyers or sellers. Delta volume, that's where delta volume comes in. Delta is the difference between aggressive buyers and aggressive sellers. If more traders are aggressively buying, delta is positive. If more are aggressively selling, delta is negative. This reveals the true pressure behind each price move. Now let's go further with cumulative delta volume, or CDV. Instead of looking at delta for just one candle, CDV adds it up over time. This shows the bigger picture, the overall buying or selling pressure driving the market. Most indicators use traditional CDV, which resets every day and often gives misleading signals. But our Real CDV is different. It analyzes intrabar volume, detects delta extremes, and tracks absorption and exhaustion in real time. This gives you a far more accurate view of buyer versus seller control. Here's a real chart example of absorption. Price pushes strongly upward with aggressive buying pressure. But look closely, sellers are waiting with strong limit sell orders at this level. Even though delta is showing strong buying, the price cannot break higher. Our Real CDV captures this moment with a delta flip, aggressive buying absorbed by institutional sell orders. Once absorption is complete, sellers take control and the market turns downward. Now let's look at buyer exhaustion. Price makes a strong push upward, but notice the CDV candles. Buying pressure is actually very low during this move. When price reaches the key level, buyers completely run out of strength. Our Real CDV confirms this with weak positive delta that fails to support the bullish move. As soon as buyers are exhausted, sellers step in aggressively, and the market quickly reverses downward. So where should you look for absorption and exhaustion signals? The most powerful areas include VWAP levels, point of control, value area high and low, low volume areas, fair value gaps, order blocks, support and resistance, and specific liquidity zones. Combining Real CDV with these levels gives you precise, high probability trade setups. Here's why Real CDV gives you an edge over traditional CDV. Advanced volume distribution analysis. Real CDV uses intrabar analysis, delta extremes, and multipliers. Traditional CDV only sums volumes. Enhanced signal generation. Real CDV detects divergences, generates buy, sell signals, and alerts on special conditions. Traditional CDV has no signal generation. Superior technical accuracy. Real CDV calculates proper OHLC for CDV candles. Traditional CDV just uses a simple cumulative sum. Professional visual features, divergence alerts, condition highlighting, professional color scheme. Institutional quality analysis detects accumulation, distribution, and hidden institutional activity. Superior market insight reveals hidden pressure before it shows in price, detects manipulation, and provides early entry, exit signals. This is just the beginning. In the next video, I'll share my best trading strategies using Real CDV in action. So stay tuned, subscribe, and if you're ready to take your trading to the next level, try the Real CDV Indicator today. Trade with real market insight, not just price action. To add the Real CDV Indicator to your TradingView, please check the link in the description.